Hello children, I am Shruti. If the concept of fraction is not clear to you, please do watch this video. I am going to tell you about fractions. Okay, what are fractions? How do we define fractions? Fractions are a part of whole or a part of group of objects. To understand this, I have taken this chocolate. Okay, if I want to divide this chocolate among 4 people, I divide this chocolate into 4 parts. Okay, and each one of them get 1 part. Okay, how do I 1 part? In other words, each one of them get quarter part of this chocolate. If I want to divide this chocolate into among 2 persons, then how will I divide? I just divide this chocolate into 2 parts. One person will get 1/2, the another person will get another half. Share that one chocolate among 4 persons. I divided the chocolate into 4 parts, which is called as denominator. Okay, and in that 4 parts, each one of them get 1 part. That is called numerator. Okay, so each one of them get quarter part of that chocolate. If I want to divide that same chocolate among 2 persons, then I make that chocolate 2 parts. Each one of them get 1 part. This is numerator, denominator. Each one of them get half part of the chocolate. Among 3 persons, each one of them get 1/3 of the chocolate. So, in simple words, the number above the divider line is called numerator. Okay, numerator. The number below the divider line is called denominator. Is an activity here. Let's do that activity. Which fraction of the circle is blue? First, we will count how many parts are there in this circle. So count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how many parts are there? 8. Among 8 parts, how many parts are colored blue? That is 1. Right? So 1/8 of which fraction of the circle is blue? So 1/8 fraction of the circle is blue here. Which fraction of the circle is purple? How many parts are there? Same 8. How many parts are colored blue? 1, 2. So 2/8 of the fraction of the circle is purple. Which fraction of the circle is yellow? Count 1, 2, 3. So 3/8 of the fraction of circle is yellow. Which fraction of the circle is green? Count here 1, 2, 2. So 2/8 of the fraction of the circle is green. Which fraction of the circle is not blue? Not blue. How many? 8 minus 1, only 1 part of the circle is blue. So 8 minus 1, 7. 7/8 part of the circle is, fraction of the circle is not blue. Which fraction of the circle represents the whole? 8 part, 8/8 of the fraction of the circle represents the whole. Now we will see type of fractions. Like fractions. What are the types of fractions? Like fractions, unlike fractions, unit fractions, proper fractions, improper fractions, equivalent fractions and mixed numbers. First, we will see like fractions. Fractions that have same denominators are called like fractions. See here in the squares, all squares having 4 parts. Okay, 4 parts. But the part chosen shaded part is different here. Here 1 part is shaded, here 2 parts, here 3 parts chosen, here 4 parts. So these kind of fractions are called like fractions. In each object, object is divided into same parts, but different parts are chosen. Such fractions are called like fractions. Now, unlike fractions. Fractions that have different denominators are the unlike fractions. Examples, can you see? In this square, 4 parts. In this square, 9 parts. In this rectangle, 8 parts. In this figure, it's 20 parts are there. Okay. So what are unlike fractions? The objects divided into different parts. Each objects divided into different parts, not the same parts with like fractions, different parts, unlike fractions. Next, unit fractions. The fractions that has 1 in the numerator is unit fraction. Examples. These are the examples. How do we understand this? The unit fractions are 1 part of the whole, which is divided into different parts. Okay, it is the unit part of the fraction. Next one, proper fraction. The fraction in which the numerator is smaller than the denominator is called a proper fraction. These are examples. The numerator is smaller than the denominator here. Numerator is smaller than the denominator. Okay. How do we understand the proper fraction? See here. In one object, they have made 5 parts. Right? Here 5 parts. Among these 5 parts, they have chosen 2 parts. Okay, it looks little proper. In one object, here in one object, they have made 11 parts. Among these 11 parts, they have chosen 7 parts. But in improper fraction, the fraction in which the numerator is greater than or equal to the denominator is called an improper fraction. To understand this, see, in one object, they have made 3 parts. 3 parts, but they have chosen 7 parts. It looks bit improper, right? In the second example, in one object, they have made 2 parts. But in that 2 parts, they have selected 4 parts, chosen 4 parts. So it looks a bit improper. So they are called as improper fractions. Like this, you can remember what are proper fractions, what are improper fractions. Now, mixed numbers. Let us take a fraction 7/4. It is an improper fraction. 7 can be written as 4 plus 3 divided by 4. This 4 divided by 4 plus 3 divided by 4. 4 by 4, 1. Okay. 1 plus 3 by 4. It's 1, 1, 3, 4. Improper fraction written as combination of a natural number and a proper fraction is called a mixed number. These are examples. equivalent fractions. Fractions giving the same value of the fraction. So this boy is saying he has 3 chocolate bars. He cut them in 3 different ways and shared with his 3 of friends. First chocolate bar, he divided that chocolate bar 2 parts. One half he gave it to the one of his friend, that is Monu. The another chocolate bar, what he did, he divided that chocolate into 4 parts. In those 4 parts, one quarter parts, okay, 4 quarter parts. 2 quarter parts he gave it to Sonu. Okay, 2 parts he gave it to Sonu. The third chocolate bar, he divided that chocolate bar into 8 parts, and 4 of that 8 parts he gave it to Renu. So Renu get here 1/8, 1/8, 1/8, 1/8, 4 parts. Okay. We divide this. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So here half. Again, here Sonu got half part of the chocolate, and here 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So Renu also got half of the chocolate. All of them got half of the chocolate. Okay, but he divided that chocolates in different ways. These are called equivalent fractions. So how much of chocolate bar does each one get? Each one get here half of the chocolate bar. We have given different names: half, 2/4, 4/8. For the equal parts, each gets. The fraction which have the same value are called equivalent fractions. So what are equivalent fractions? Fractions which expresses same part of a whole but have different names are called equivalent fractions. These are examples of the equivalent fractions. 1/3, 2/6, and here 3/9. All are expressing a same part of a whole. So these are equivalent fractions. In my next video, I am talking more about fractions. If you like the video, please press a like button and share with your friends. And please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my video. Bye.